Okay. Macho man. A cup of coffee in the morning. A cup of coffee. Okay. Make sure that works. Cup of coffee in the morning. Pretty sure I have to turn down this audio. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Let's make this. I need a third monitor. Okay, so what we are doing is currently trying to build out an API endpoint for my project. Um, so this API is going offline here shortly. If I can pull her up here. Da, 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 da. Yes. Here we go. So this one is going offline. It's called Rest Countries. The site's going offline, and he's taking down the endpoints as well. The API will no longer work. So the plan is to build my own with the data that he's provided in the project. So I'm currently a little bit already into this. Go online on Discord too. Second. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. So anyway, yeah, we are trying to basically build this data out so I can use it while the project shuts down. Oh, it looks like he actually extended the timeout a little bit. Hold on. Edited 7 hours ago. Sadly, so he extended it out until the end of next month, which is fine, just in case I can't figure this out right away. This date was different. I'm pretty sure he said by the end of May originally. Yeah, he said May 16th. So he edited that, which is good. So here's the life. Contributor. Is that not how you spell contribute? Contributor? Okay, so yeah, that's the plan. And I'll show you what we have currently. So the easiest way that I found to do this without starting my own like Linux server or using AWS or Microsoft Azure or any of those, I just use the GitHub pages. We have a little temporary GitHub pages, and I'm definitely gonna rebuild. But inside of it, if you go to the deployment, it just says hello world, but inside the folder, if you go into data and then countries.json, it'll load up all this JSON data from this file here. So this is the in that GitLab project. In that GitLab project, see if I go back to that. He has a large, or I'm sorry, one of the endpoints is all the data. Okay, I forgot the thing, but it's like restcountries.com/version3 v3/all, and it'll bring up all that data like I have here. But I kind of thought that's what I wanted, but it's not. So what I want is what I currently have here. This is one of his endpoints. So this is how he has a version2/alpha AU, and that's just straight up an object with this specific data. This is what I've been accessing this whole time for each country. Doesn't matter if I do like NZ, it should be New Zealand. Same thing. This object has this specific data. What I've currently was working on is the same thing. It's got all of this. The name is an object. The name property has a value of an object, and so on. So I need to basically get all of my forms. I did a test one right here, this af.json, even though it's completely wrong. I need to get all of these in this format. Shorter. It's a lot less data. And it's a lot cleaner too. So that's the plan here, to try to get a sample of this. Basically, I'm just going to copy this and then put it in there and see if I can get it to work. So I know it's probably a little confusing what I'm talking about, but let's try it out. Also, I'm working with two VS Codes open. So this, what we have currently is the format we want. So I'm going to git push this and redeploy it and see what happens. Excuse me. Okay, so that should be redeploying here shortly. It's sad that this is shutting down. I just found this like earlier, late last year. Okay, let's see if still building. Excuse me. Okay, it's good now. Let's check her out. Make sure it's good. Yeah, it's active. All right, so we're gonna go to data/af.json, and now it has that format. So with that being said, my project that I'm looking at, refresh the page, should be, it's still having an issue. Cannot read name. Okay. That is what we want. Name is a property there. Not level domain. Languages translation. Yeah, it should straight up just be like name is one of them. Sorry, I'm just messaging someone in Discord asking them some insight. It technically works after changing URL. Hopefully sees that. Yeah, I have to figure this out because basically when the URL is the normal endpoint, like a traditional one, it's fine. But I'm figuring this is throwing an error because it's a .json file at the end of it, extension. So maybe I can get some insight on that. I have no clue. I was hoping this would be an easy way to do this and to avoid the other way of doing it that I don't want to deal with. All right, let's get that error in the browser real quick. Yeah, this is stumping me. I really hope it doesn't break the whole fucking project, dude. Like the whole thing. I just looked in the chat. We got a Clasher cast in here. Clasher, it's been a long time, man. Are you actually in here? Or you just turned me on to listen to the music? Long time no hear from, dude. Hope you're doing well. Hello. Oh, there's a Jesus. What's up, man? So this is the code. Let me show you. So we have our interface here. You're actually here, dude. Nice. Long time no see. Glad you can stop in when you can. So basically, Jesus. Let me close out. So when I have this is my Axios request now, all right? I just wanted to test it out. What's commented out was the previous version of it, or the previous way. But now I'm using this to see if I can get it to work. And it does get this data from the API. It gets it, I can log it and everything. But the moment that I turn this URL into this instead of the original API endpoint, my set state was like thrown off. You aren't returning anything from the get country function. Was I ever though? So return res.data. Yes, line 8. Oh. Res.data. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me redo this here. Okay. Let's try this again. Then What aren't you liking? Is that all? What is? There's too many things going on here, I guess. Yeah. Then. Let's see here. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so that worked. This is what I'm currently looking at. I know it says New Zealand, but other stuff says Afghanistan. Don't worry about it. I just changed the AF file, so that works. That's excellent. So basically, all I have to do is just continue to build it out for each one the way I want it. Okay, awesome. Thanks, Jesus. That was it. I was just missing that. Okay, awesome. And yeah, I don't know. Thank you. Okay, that's excellent. So I can host it now. All gravy, baby. Clasher, what have you been working on? How's school been? How's things been? I don't know what else you got going on. I think I remember you saying school and the military you were looking into. Not certain. Jesus, I stopped in your stream yesterday or 2 days ago. Yeah, it was 2 days ago, and I just saw you doing RP stuff. I didn't know what you were quite doing. I only stopped in very briefly, so I just saw you like fall off a cliff and stuff. Not looking to the military at all. Okay, got you. Had much to do with school. Nice. Have you been working on any projects when you can, or are you only focused on school right now? Speedometer. Yeah, I kept seeing you trying to like, I think you stole a helicopter from the base, and I figured you were trying to go fast. I just couldn't see anything happening, so I was like, well, I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's just fiddling around. Excellent. That works. So now we can just change all that data, serve it up, and we don't have to rely on his API anymore. Awesome. That makes me happy. Didn't work on projects much. Okay, nice. Hopefully you did good on your exams, and hopefully you can get some projects going again. A lot has been going on with me too, personally. But yeah. Well, shit, I was actually expecting the stream to go a lot longer. I guess I can just, I don't know. Oh, let me see. Jesus, if you're still here, is there anything? Oh, right. You were trying to mention this the other day to me. Let's check it out. Close that. Open up the text file. So, remember we were looking at that currencies array? So I was looking into it, and I forgot. Hold on. Go to our types here. Country data. Uncomment that. Close that. Close this. And when trying to access it, I was getting this, and I think you mentioned I needed to do something. I forgot what it was though. So currencies is an array. Let me see. Yeah, currencies, you can kind of see it here. The actual data, like the data itself. Currencies is an array of an object. So I need to extract the primary currency. Yeah. You said it's gonna be one of the React things, right? I think you said like one of the hooks, use effect or use callback or something, which we've already done with the variable name primary currency. So would it just be primary currency? Type primary currency is now assignable to type React node. I don't even know what that means. Expected type comes from property children, which is declared here on type detail. You're not showing the hook stuff? Yeah, no, I don't blame you. Primary currency is an object. React is expecting. Okay. I hate this song. I hate this one. This song sucks. I hate this one so much. Ugh. Primary currency dot code in the HTML. Oh, because you said this is the object, so I should be able to do primary currency dot and then iterate over it. Okay, I can try that. All right. Oh. Okay, so that gets rid of that. So this. Now, my understanding was the question mark is saying that it's not required, correct, Jesus? Or is that only in when it's like in an interface or something? Possibly undefined. I wrote it down before, so that's kind of what you're saying. Prevents an error if primary currency is on. It's a native JavaScript thing? Okay. Got it. Okay, thank you. Well, that fixed that issue. I kept trying to access the array, but we didn't need to anymore. Let me add a note here. Doing okay. Okay, thank you. Extracts. I'm working on so many projects right now, Jesus. So many. I'm working on this one still. I'm working on let me see if I can go to it. I'm contributing or collaborating with an associate of mine who's working on a movie. a movie project. This one. So all the server stuff I did. Yeah, I know you mentioned this last time. I told my friend here. I told her like, cause she's in our Discord server my Discord server. I said, she just said I'm gonna be working on this project till I'm dead. Which you're not wrong. This is my baby, man. I think I'm not gonna work on it till I'm dead. I'm definitely getting closer to a point where I'm done. Like I have a project set up for it. Of like all these issues that I want to complete. And we're about done. Like things I think would be added, and then I want to like leave it alone, ideally for the like not and rather not leave it alone, but work on it as little. God damn it, I can't talk. Work on it less. But I figured doing this project will help me kind of work through some issues and stuff. Think agile mentality, you know, but with just one person on the team. But yeah, so working on this that movie app thing, also working on my portfolio again. So what I'm doing is I'm actually rebuilding my very first site that I built, which was static. But because I like, you know, reminiscing over things, I'm keeping a branch of the original version of it so I don't mess it up, and I can always look back at the code because it's so bad. It's so bad. And I'm also working on Plutus, that banking app again too, kind of restructuring that. So I'm working on so much right now, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, technically 5 projects right now. Not to mention what I'm going to be working on at work here soon. Busy. Fix this mic real quick. Yeah, man. I think I've always been like. I always liked looking back at things. So pictures, videos, all that stuff is important because when you get older, you can look back and look at your younger self and be like, man, I was an idiot, or man, I was so much smarter than, or whatever it may be. Clasher, I know you're pretty young compared to me and Jesus. If you're still here, I think you should definitely look into taking pictures and videos of life and code. Keep old code or old homework assignments, birthday cards, whatever. Because you're going to get older and you're going to be like, man, I wish I could look back at that stuff. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my charger for my laptop here. BRB. Okay. All right, well, that's all done. I mean, shout out to Jesus for stopping by, always helping. I'm pretty sure Jesus built this project by himself, honestly. I just put my name on it. Alvy, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to this short stream. I'm doing well, thank you. I appreciate it. Just knocking out a few small issues I was having with the help of Jesus Crust. Check him out on Twitch if you haven't already. Doesn't stream as often as I do, which isn't saying much because I don't stream often either. Yeah, so this is here. Let me find it real quick. 1 second. Turn off my display so you can't see my Amazon stuff. Okay, that is the one that I'm using. 1080p, dude, it's so clean. A lot of webcams just come 720, like it's just so compact and whatnot. It's like pretty cheap too. I think American dollars. I think that just said like, actually I don't remember how much it said. Let me click the link. 40 bucks US dollars. It's not bad. And my webcam is right here where my hand is. I can show the workspace off real quick. Salt lamp. I can get a better. Nope, sorry. It's actually this monitor is not that good. This monitor really does suck. It actually hurts my eyes. Hold again. Second. I can look at my Amazon. Just give me a moment. I gotta look at old orders. This is the monitor right here. They're cheap. They're not that great, honestly, but they work for now, you know. Wrong one. Wrong link. That shouldn't work for anybody. 1 second. Actually, it might work. Does that work for y'all? So, yeah, I have a standing. It works. Okay, good. I'm sorry. I thought that wouldn't work. So I have a monitor stand thing where you can attach 2 monitors, and you can rotate. Once you attach the monitors, you can rotate them. So it's pretty nice. All around this whole setup, except for the desk. Well, not the whole setup. Let me see. The 2 monitors are 80 bucks US. $160. The stand is like 40. So 200 bucks for just the monitors and stuff. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay. So the national currency of United States is the snake. Isn't it as I forgot what the names even mean or are. The name is do same thing. Primary C dot do code. So when we load a web page, post. Alvi, where are you from again? Bangladesh or? Bangladesh. Lasher and Alvi are both here, so let me. What's the code for Bangladesh? Dash. BD. Okay, let's see. No. Well, BDT is. So what I was looking for is. Uh-oh, we're getting an error still. Page isn't loading. I'll show it in a second. What occurred? Mind reading 0. Oh, duh, because I forgot to do the others. That's right, that's my fault. 1 second. We need 2 more. We're gonna call this currency name. I call this one currency symbol or currency. Abbreviation. This one's gonna be current name, and this one's gonna be currency. What's the other one? Currency symbol. Hey. So now we have those. Wait a minute. Be fine, so it should be. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Got this wrong? Wait. I am thinking about this wrong. No, no, I'm not. Hold on. Currency.name. Something's telling me I'm thinking about this wrong. Confusing myself. Curious. I think I am thinking about this very, very wrong right now. Something's my brain is just like not working. Yeah, I am. What am I doing wrong? We just had it working. This, whatever this is, why is this here? Forgive me if my keyboard is very loud. I'm gonna upgrade my mic soon to a Shure mic because apparently those things are much better than what crappy thing I have here. You think my mic is good? I feel like it just picks up too much noise. Wait, oh, right. So this is just, right, that's why we left it as primary currencies. currency info is equal to the object, then we can iterate over the object. But I tried doing that and we got an error. You hear no noise? Okay, cool. Currency info dot name. Getting an error. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Because we forgot the question mark. Right. This only works. Wait, forgot. That's. Now we're telling it it's an array. Okay, so there we go. That renders a page, and do we get the currency on the page? And it as it's not there. Okay, yes it is. Okay, perfect. Now we're good. I forgot that I commented that out. All right, so now we can do. What? Hold on, my brain is. Oh, you know what? That's why. Got it. Yeah, I'm right. We're good. We're good. We're good. Sorry, y'all. My brain is just like shutting down. I'm doing too many different things at once. So the currency is represented as, so it'll be currency info question mark dot symbol and currency info code. Excellent. So that fixes that. So now all it would be a matter of doing, so this is what we got. If New Zealand was one of our pages, which it is, don't mind the country stuff. I know it's wrong, but I just took the information for Afghanistan and put it in, or the information for New Zealand and put in Afghanistan. Yeah, I did. So all this information that says New Zealand, which is like right here and down here, is in that API that I just built out. So this is just a test. So we're getting all New Zealand information, and now we get the dollar signs. So I can go ahead and work more on the backend stuff now. That's good. Extracts the object from the currency array. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and minimize that and open the other. Alfie, how have you been working on anything anything recently? Not yet. So we'd have to make one of these for every country, which I will probably not be doing on stream. um, yeah. Okay. I'm actually going to probably end it. I'm sorry, Alvi, since you just dropped by, but I'm going to. I don't really stream long anyway. Because the rest of what I'm gonna do is gonna be pretty boring stuff. So, where's the chat at? What CPU and graphics card do I have? 1 second, I'll show you. Go up to the old Amazon again. The CPU, I can just pull up my stuff here. So for my CPU, I have, I don't think there's any information on here that would be bad to show, right? I have Intel i5 9600K. So here's a CPU. Let me type it out. i5. And for the GPU, I have a, oh man, I can't believe I forgot. Graphics. NVIDIA GeForce GTX. I'm typing it in chat too. And I also have 32 gigs of RAM. It's pretty good. It does what I need it to do. I don't do any hardcore gaming anymore. Never really did, I guess. Like, I don't need a crazy graphics card. Oh, I forgot my camera's still off. Sorry. For coding, streaming, coding nowadays, I don't stream any games, so it's not really. I don't edit videos. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Good night. Good night. Good night. Have a good one, Alvy. Take care. I will see you next time. I'll probably end the stream in a couple minutes. Just chilling right now. The plan is to serve up one of these JSON files for every country, and I'm gonna make a little update video for my LinkedIn too for this. Show that off. And then yeah, we made some progress. Let me look at my project here. Uh-oh. Is GitHub down for anybody? Oh my god, I was gonna say, what the fuck? It wouldn't surprise me if GitHub was down. It might be. What is it? Is it just me? The hell's going on? You've been having some issues with GitHub too? Uh-oh. Well, guess we'll let them figure that out. Got an eye doctor appointment today to get my eyes checked out. I'm losing vision in my left eye pretty rapidly. GitHub is having some issues right now, unfortunately. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate y'all letting me know that y'all are experiencing some issues too, or at least know about them. Got some blue light filter glasses, but I wore them the other day, and then next thing I know, my vision really started to go even faster than usual, and it's starting to bother me. Incident, so basically with everything. 30 minutes. That was, oh, like 10 minutes ago, less than 10 minutes ago, I would imagine. I got these glasses and they, hey, but I don't know if they're good for my eyes or not. I'm gonna go see the eye doctor today and see if they think. Hopefully I don't lose any more vision. I'm already losing my hearing, my memory too. Got to love the military. Tweet this out real quick. Thanks for that link, Clasher. Appreciate that. Close this. Yeah, so I'll be working on this later, and then I appreciate everybody stopping by, man. One of these days, I do want to get a nice long stream, 3-hour coding session. It would be therapeutic. I just haven't had anything that I really want to spend that much time on in a single session. Jesus, are you gonna stream your anything today? If you're still here. If not, it's all good. I'm gonna host somebody. Who do you guys want me to raid or whatever? Let's check it out. Is there anybody in software? I watched this guy yesterday. He's CTO of a new startup company. He was going ham, dude. I don't know. He was just going in. Browse. Let's see. Who can we raid? This isn't like software. This guy's playing piano. Wait. Thursday code. Let's dive into text something. Anybody you all know ray tracing in one weekend? Turn this music off. Hold on. I got so many tabs open. Golly. React Native snub. Like they're making a game or something. Anybody doing anything interesting? CRISPR Crunch.
We already have that. We horizontally align all the elements. So how come, if we're horizontally aligning,
You making a game or something? He is making some type of game.
he just set the max width,
Okay, let's find this guy. What's his name? Play_curious.
which is what we did.
I don't even know if anybody's even still in here to raid, but I'm gonna go in there with it. So wait. Eight unique viewers. Wow. People stopped by the last stream. I don't know how far I am from being applying to be a whatchamacallit. Am I even able to do that anymore? How do you check to see if you can become a partner or whatever it's called? I need to look into that. I doubt it though, because I don't stream that often. Raid channel. One viewer, that's fine. Oh, 3 viewers. Nice. I'll stop him. 4 viewers. Wow. Let's go raid Play Curious and see what he's got going on. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Much love. I'll catch y'all later.